Hi guys, I'm so excited to share to you. It's Jillian's birthday and we're gonna celebrate outside our house, and that's her birthday wish. And what do you like on your birthday?
Want the toast and want the cakes.
Okay. The wish is to have a unicorn birthday party, and these are some ideas you can do also on your birthday of your kids. And welcome to Unboxing Sensation. Jillian, are you enjoying there?
It's so much fun also. Yummy! What?
Welcome to Unboxing Sensation, and now we're gonna unbox a product that you can make on my daughter's birthday. And I want to share you some products in Walmart and Amazon. And my daughter's birthday wish is to have a unicorn birthday party! And we're so very excited for Jillian's birthday! And now we're gonna unbox everything we order at Walmart and Amazon, the backpack at Amazon, and some giveaways at Walmart. Birthday loot bags. We got the delivery accessory Play-Doh, modeling compound. These are the moldings of the Play-Doh. And these are the giveaways on her birthday party, the Play-Doh. This Play-Doh is 3 ounce. So we got different colors. This is per piece is 50 cents or 54 cents. So we got this, all of them. And also, we get also the different color. We got the pink. We got the green. And all the colors. And the yellow. We got also the orange. Orange Play-Doh is 54 cents. And the yellow as well. So we got six color in it. 6 pieces in every color. So we order different colors in each can. There's yellow, green, purple, and orange. And also, we get the bubbles. This bubbles is at Walmart with 8 pack, and it is 4 ounce. It's around 3.88 per pack. So we order 4 packs for her birthday as a giveaway.
And do we set in the box?
And sorry guys, our house is so messy because of the kids. Play-Doh is only in Walmart. You can buy this molding at Walmart for $24. So we're gonna open. These are the different moldings and shapes and alphabets. So the paper bag arrived. This is the paper bag. It's at Walmart, $9.99 each. So this is with the invitation inside. This is the paper bag. This is the invitation. We got the stackable crayon at Target. So my kids Shakey's will gonna help me arrange the loot bags and put the item inside. Are you ready? We're gonna put the things in the loot bag. Go! Put the things in the loot bag. We're gonna fix it.
Birthday backdrop.
Open the back of the banner, the backdrop for the birthday. So we got this at Amazon for around
It's around $17.99 at Amazon.
tax for delivery charge. This is from Amazon. Is the rainbow backdrop. So this is the look of the rainbow backdrop. I thought it's a cloth, but this is not a cloth. This is it's like this. So this is the rainbow backdrop at Amazon. So this is the backdrop that I ordered in Amazon. It's like a table plastic at Amazon.
Venue. So we visited the Shakeys, our venue of Jillian's birthday, and to see how big is the backdrop and how big is the venue as well. And it fits 50 person here. Milk for baby girl. What's the feeling of having your birthday tomorrow?
Good, very good.
Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, you're very excited. You say hi to your classmates, okay? You play with them. And we're gonna do it right now. So before we sleep, we're gonna read a Goldilocks, the Three Bears, and the Goldilocks,
Do it how Goldilocks and
and the
three
Bears. Okay?
Yay, yay! You found out the tiger.
Yeah. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. In a tiny cottage in the woods live Mama Bear and Papa Bear and Baby Bear. For a walk to grab some fresh air while their breakfast bridge cooled down. Guys, I'm gonna make a balloon again. I hide here because I'm gonna make a surprise for my little daughter because it's her birthday tomorrow. This is Jillian's birthday setup look like. And this is it. We're done in fixing the birthday backdrop, and I'm happy I was able to fix want to thank you to my relatives who helped me put the backdrop, and special thanks to all the visitors who come to Jillian's 6th birthday, and for watching our YouTube channel.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and eat on Shakeys and celebrate birthday here. Bunch of lunch. Bye! Video, please give me a thumbs up and please like and share and subscribe.